Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel where you will learn all things money, motivation, motherhood, and marriage. This week we are talking about motherhood, my home birth. 4 things that I wish that I had done differently. The first thing is number 1, hire a doula, D-O-U-L-A. A doula is a support person for you at your time of birth, during labor and delivery. One may ask, why do I need a doula? I've got my mother, I've got my husband, I have lots of support. Yes, they are there for support, but they're not professionals and they are emotionally attached. So when you cry, they will cry. When you get weak, they will get weak. But a doula is going to be there to be in control of the situation. Believe it or not, they will also fall asleep. My husband fell asleep so many times throughout my labor, I wanted to rack him in the brain. He was like sleeping, snoring throughout the whole entire thing. But if I had a doula to rub my back and rub my shoulders, it would have been great. I couldn't blame my husband because the dude worked the night before, and he was exhausted. So hire a doula. Number 2, get your rest. If you go into labor, rather than running around trying to make sure that things are perfect, get your rest. Lay in bed. Your legs will get tired. Number 3, I worked right up until the day that I gave birth, until the hour that my water broke. In fact, my water broke at work. Did I just say broke? In fact, my water broke at work. So that was very tiring. I should have given myself at least 2 weeks to recover because it felt like I was driving a car and I suddenly had to scratch on the brakes. So I had no transition time. I went from working, hustling, to laying down in bed for 6 weeks without moving. Do not do that. If you have the chance, if your job allows, if your financial situation allows, take that break. Stop working at least 2 weeks before you're about to deliver. The 4th thing I would advise you to do is get the vitamin K. Vitamin K helps the blood with clotting. When babies are born, their blood doesn't clot. Vitamin K prevents this. We don't have vitamin K. I don't know why, but in the hospital, they give vitamin K. At home, unless you say that you want it, you will need vitamin K. In the beginning, my baby had a bit of a trouble. We're still not sure if it was from vitamin K or not, but she would have like traces of blood in her spit up. We're not sure what it was from, but vitamin K would prevent any clotting issues. So that's my 4 tips on things that you should do in order to have a successful home birth. If you like this video, you would probably like either of these. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Remember to be bold, be great, be beautiful, and subscribe.